only we had more time.
Yeah.
I just love doing this with him. I came here with my husband, Matt, and it's been a super awesome, amazing, exciting experience. The teachers have been phenomenal. I've learned so much in such a short amount of time that I'm going to take back home with me. And it's just been fun learning with my husband because we have a lot of unfinished projects at home that we need to finish. So we're going to take that back home with us.
It's really inclusive and it's really supportive. And like the guy was saying, you know, men are supposed to know this stuff, and a lot of times we don't. So it's good just to, you know, have that foundational training.
You can ask questions that you would feel normally intimidated to ask if you were in an all-male setting. So
yeah, I think that's the truth. Yeah, you get to have that time. You're closer to the instructor, and they're giving you feedback, you know, as you're doing it. So that really means a lot.
We're gonna probably teach our son some skills that we've learned. So it's been just a great experience altogether. I'd like to start on a catio. We actually have a wardrobe project that we're working on, a built-in wardrobe. And then we have a giant shelf that we're putting above our laundry machines. Honestly, with the skills that we've learned, we're very confident that we can finish those.
Yeah.
It's out in the open. You have a beautiful setting. We stayed in an Airbnb right down the road that was just gorgeous. And there's just so much to North Carolina. And then there were a couple other couples, and it was just really fantastic. All the people in our group were fantastic.